Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This will be my last video message as Faculty Association College-wide President. I'll be transitioning into past president, and John Niss will be the incoming president. But I want to give you a summary of the year. It's been an amazing and really busy year, so I want to give you a quick summary of the Faculty Council and our work. We're talking about the amazing faculty we have, communication, connection, highlights, future, and it has truly been a year of change. A lot of opportunity, a lot of changes this year. So first of all, let me move myself out of the way because I'm just one person this year. It has really been a team of people here at the Faculty Council from every single campus, and I just want to acknowledge all the members of the Faculty Council. If you see them in the hallways, congratulate them. They've done an amazing job. As issues have come up, opportunities have come up, they've addressed them at the campus level and brought them to the college-wide council. So please congratulate them. At our June meeting, we had a little celebration for them, but we have an amazing group of faculty, and thank you to all faculty for all the work you've done all year. I've tried really hard to have really good, clear communication. So every month I'll send out the agenda. The agenda is a Google link, so you can have up-to-the-date information with interactive links, so you can see what's going on at the college. So I put all of them here. So this was the June one with all the links and all the stuff that's going on for you to check out as you look back through the year. I've also done a presentation summary. We've been very fortunate to have some wonderful people come to the Faculty Council to present to us and share information or ask for our feedback. So you'll see that there's a nice mix of all different people from across the college that came into our Faculty Council meetings and received our feedback. And also, there's been many documents that have come through the Faculty Council, so I want to give a quick summary of some of the amazing work that we've looked at throughout the year. So please check those out. Also, in communication, I've tried really hard to give you a heads up at the beginning of the month, and then at the end of the month what actually happened. So every month you received, and thank you to the communication department, they did some hard work, but we received a faculty heads up at the beginning of the month, and then at the end of the month in the Faculty Insight, we basically gave a summary of what happened every month. So I have all of them linked here, so you're welcome to check out and go back all the good work that has happened. Again, we have amazing faculty. So all the links are here. And then some highlights and some connections we've made. So I've attended every campus faculty senator assembly meeting at least once, mostly twice. I've gone to the Dr. Sugar campus forums, which we've worked with Dr. Sugar to go out to each campus and talk to people and get some feedback. Thank you so much for attending. We've had the Where Does the Money Go forums with Amy Bosley and Lauren Bender. Faculty Council had Title IX training, and we plan to continue that every single year. I've also worked one-on-one with some faculty to solve issues, and I've attended every single Valencia College meeting. Okay, maybe not every single, but so many meetings. And I've had the honor to represent faculty at all those meetings at all different campuses. We've also connected faculty to work, the campus migration, ethical policy review, part-time manually appointed faculty engagement, academic integrity online work team, data to faculty work team, technology faculty advisory group, affordability policy, sabbatical leave, grievance committee, curriculum committee, textbook committee, faculty compensation evaluation team. We have a faculty HR representative, a learning leadership council, faculty representation, math pathways conversation, and many more. But the idea is that you guys are doing some great work. Thank you so much for volunteering. And I've tried really hard with the Faculty Council to connect faculty with good work. Also, we've reviewed some policies and procedures. So through the HR, we have a summary here of what came through that side. So you can get a summary of the ones and a little description of what went through the HR side. And others that have gone through the legal side. So you can kind of review those. They're all on the agendas, but I kind of want to give you a quick summary so you can look at it this way. Also, we surveyed faculty. You can check out the results. We hope that we do that every year, that we get your feedback, how the Faculty Council is doing. So we have a little report of our first ever evaluation that we did this year. Also connect with the Board of Trustees. Every month I was able to represent faculty and give them updates on what I was doing, and I featured a faculty member every single month at the host campus. We've also made connect with the senior team, deans, staff, faculty, student services, academic affairs, security, operations, human resources, legal, marketing, and many other areas. I've also, to highlight, really to be transparent with information, that if people ask questions, I answer them, put everything on the agendas, put them out in the videos, so if you wanted the information, it's there, and also to keep you up to date. I've also been a year of change with deans going back to faculty and changes in administration and Canvas, just so much change. So we want to make sure that you have the information and people you can talk to during time of change. I really want to make sure that faculty were connected everywhere. Valencia College, I can say, does a great job of infusing faculty everywhere. I want to keep that going. That's why it's really important to me to attend all the meetings face-to-face, go to all the different campuses, and have faculty everywhere in the work. I think another big highlight was safety and security, how we worked really well with student affairs, security, professional development, human resource, and other areas. Safety is always a concern. We promoted the Valencia College Safety app. I hope you have it. It's on my phone. Training like Run, Hide, Fight, and we're developing new training. I did a presentation of the District Board of Trustees on safety at Valencia. I met with individual faculty, and I tell everybody, if you're having any issues with safety, please contact Mike Faber directly. This is his personal cell phone. Security is dedicated to your safety, so feel free to call him. Another highlight is data to faculty work team. We had a lot of faculty saying, I want data in my hands. Deans receive a certain report, and we want faculty to have that. So we developed a work team, and the work team decided that we want that same report and everything that the dean has, so we can look at data and analyze and improve our practice. And we just had our pilot training for the work team, and it went really well. We're going to keep on improving. It's going to be rolled out, but we want to get data in the hands of faculty, but we felt that training is important before you get that access, so you'll get more information in the upcoming year. But I'm really proud of that work. I think it's important as professionals that we have our data and constantly improve our practice and talk to each other, find out how things are doing, how things are going. And the future. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. So as I transition to past president, you have some amazing faculty members coming in. Again, John Niss is the incoming Faculty Association president, and right behind him is Stanton Reed, the incoming Faculty Association vice president. The future looks bright. Again, I'll still be involved. If there's anything I can do anytime, please let me know. And again, thank you for everything. And so my contact information, Al Groccia, not the president anymore. We transitioned in July, now the past president of Faculty Association. But please still contact me, email, phone, stop by my office, say hi. It has truly been an honor to represent faculty here at the 50th anniversary. Again, I was a student here at Valencia. I'm tenured faculty, and now I was able to be the Faculty Association president for the 50th anniversary, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.